Most men think intimacy starts in the bedroom, but the truth is it actually begins long before you even get there. And the surprising part, there are secret spots on a woman's body that when kissed the right way can unlock not just desire, but trust, emotional connection, and a bond she'll never forget. Most guys don't even know they exist, and that's why she might not respond the way they hope. Stick with me because I'm about to show you 7 powerful zones every man should know. And number 3 will completely change the way you connect with her. Hey, welcome to Talia Talks Love. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, how to connect with a woman on a deeper level by discovering the hidden spots on her body that awaken trust, desire, and unforgettable emotional intimacy. The first spot is the base of her neck, right at the nape, just under her hairline and above her collarbone. This area is incredibly vulnerable, which makes it one of the most emotionally charged places on her body. She can't see it, so she has to trust you completely. A slow, intentional kiss here isn't about physical sensation alone. It speaks directly to her emotional memory. Neuroscience tells us this part of the body is full of nerve endings connected to the brain's emotional and memory centers, so when you kiss her here, you're touching more than skin. You're touching more than reaching into her emotional core. Many men get it wrong because they rush or try to dominate, but this spot calls for devotion, not control. Imagine gently moving her hair aside, pausing for a heartbeat, and letting your lips rest softly on the back of her neck. That kiss says, I see you, I cherish you, I'm not here to take, I'm here to understand. That kind of attention lasts far longer than passion. It makes her feel safe. And when a woman feels safe, she opens up in ways she'll never forget. The second spot is just behind her ear. This area is often overlooked, yet it's incredibly powerful. The skin here is connected to the brain's pleasure and bonding centers. And when kissed gently, it triggers oxytocin, the hormone of trust and closeness. Think about it. The ear is a private space, a place for whispers, secrets, and soft laughter. When your lips touch just behind it, you're entering a space meant for her most intimate moments. This isn't about being loud or forceful. Some of the strongest emotions are stirred quietly, subtly. A soft kiss behind her ear while whispering something personal can send a wave of warmth through her whole body. You don't need to rush or impress. Lingering, enjoying the stillness, and making her feel seen is what she will crave. Not just the moment, but how you made her feel chosen for who she really is, especially when no one else is watching. The third spot is smaller, quieter, yet incredibly meaningful. Her inner wrist. This isn't a spot of lust. It's one of reverence. The skin is soft, delicate, and right beneath it is her pulse. Her rhythm, her energy, the unspoken state of her emotions. A gentle kiss here isn't just about touch. It communicates, I notice you, I value the small things, I honor your pace. It's intimate in a way that goes far beyond the physical, creating a deep emotional imprint that she'll carry with her. Psychology shows that a touch on her wrist activates the part of the brain tied to empathy and emotional awareness. A gentle kiss here isn't just physical, it sparks a real deep connection. What makes it so powerful is the intention behind it. By honoring this small, often overlooked spot, you show patience and restraint. You're not rushing, not trying to prove anything, you're fully present. And that presence makes her feel safe enough to lower her guard. Imagine holding her hand while talking, pausing, and softly pressing your lips to her wrist. This isn't seduction, it's reverence. And reverence is rare. Next is the fourth spot, the hollow of her collarbone, close to her heart in both body and symbolism. A slow, careful kiss here conveys more than admiration. It honors her essence. This area is sensitive, so it works best when she already feels safe and connected to you. When kissed with care, it sparks a closeness that goes far beyond physical desire. The fifth spot is the inside of her elbow. It's unexpected, delicate, and easily ignored. A soft kiss here can send surprising shivers down her spine. It shows her you're exploring her in a genuine, attentive way, not following a routine or a script. You're noticing what truly makes her feel good. The sixth and seventh spots are her stomach and hip bones. These areas require real trust because many women feel vulnerable here. But when kissed gently, they say, I love every part of you, even the parts you don't show the world. These are not places to rush toward. They are for moments when she already feels seen, safe, and connected. Done right, they create bonds that linger in memory long after. To take connection even deeper, I've put together a free guide called 20 Best Sexual Questions to Ask a Woman. These aren't simple or surface level. They're conversation starters that build emotional intimacy, spark sexual tension, and help you understand what she truly desires. They explore fantasies, past experiences, and what makes her feel genuinely wanted. You can download it for free in the description below. Here's one bonus touch. No kiss required, but just as impactful, placing your hand gently on her lower back. This area carries emotional weight, stress, and responsibilities she doesn't always show. Resting your hand there says silently, I've got you. You don't have to carry it all alone. It calms her, makes her feel safe and supported. If you've ever slow danced with a woman and felt her lean back into you, you know what I mean. That's not choreography. That's emotional surrender. Even small non-sexual touches can have a huge impact. Resting your hand gently on her lower back conveys support, care, and emotional safety. It's a silent way of saying, I'm here for you. You don't have to carry everything alone. When she leans into that touch, it's a sign of trust and emotional surrender, a deeper connection that isn't choreographed, but felt. Even small touches like resting your hand gently on her lower back communicate care and support. This area carries stress and emotional weight, and a soft touch here says, I've got you, you're not alone. When a woman leans into that touch, it's emotional surrender, a sign of trust and comfort. So let's wrap this up and really bring it all together. Intimacy isn't something that suddenly happens in a bedroom or at a single moment. It starts long before that. It starts in the quiet, subtle ways you notice her, in the small gestures that make her feel seen and safe. It's about understanding that her body isn't just skin and curves. It's a map of emotion, memory, and vulnerability. When you learn to connect with her in the right way, the connection goes far deeper than physical desire. From the nape of her neck to just behind her ear, from her inner wrist to the hollow of her collarbone, the inside of her elbow, her stomach, and her hips. These aren't just areas to touch. Each one is an opportunity to say something meaningful without words. To whisper with your lips and hands, I see you, I respect you, I choose you. These are the moments that stay with her long after the passion fades. They build trust, closeness, and a bond that feels unshakable. And it's not about rushing or performing, it's about presence. It's about patience. It's about noticing what most men overlook and honoring it with care. It's about showing her that she's safe, that she's cherished, and that you're not just there for a moment, you're there for her. Even a simple gesture like resting your hand on her lower back can communicate more than words ever could. It says, I've got you. You don't have to carry everything alone. That's intimacy. That's emotional connection. That's what makes a woman feel truly chosen. So remember, this isn't about techniques or tricks. It's about approaching her with reverence, attention, and real care. Every gentle kiss, every intentional touch, every pause where you truly notice her. It all adds up to something unforgettable. When you understand these hidden zones, when you treat them with respect, you're not just creating passion, you're creating memories, emotional depth, and a connection that lasts. If you found value in this video, make sure you like it, subscribe to Talia Talks Love, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of the insights we share. And I'd love for you to comment below with the word cherish if this resonated with you, because that's exactly what these moments are all about. Cherishing her, seeing her, and connecting on a level most people never reach.